Hi tubers, I thought I'd just give you a follow-up on the Revox B77 Mark II that I have been restoring. You see me went through the calibration process, and you also see me go through the recap in earlier videos. So we are on the final stretch. The only thing left for me to do now is to do some cosmetic cleaning on this thing, and I'll be shining it up real nicely and paint up what's supposed to paint, like the back cover. It's metal. It's a metal cover, and I will be painting that to let it look nice on this deck. This deck did not come with the original B77 case. It just came with the metal cover, like what the PR99 comes with. So I will be painting that up. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna just play some tunes from the YouTube library. Okay, there you have it, YouTube. Thank you for stopping by. I'll be completing this thing tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go from there. I hope it finds a new home soon. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.